Okay, so here's a quick video on how to find area. The area formula is area equals pi r squared, which is the same thing as pi times r, or 3.14 times whatever number and the x squared button on your calculator. So if you have a circle with a radius of 3, then the area is 3.14 times 3 squared, which is 3.14 times 9. This equals 28.26. Let's say this was feet. Then this is going to be feet squared. You must put these units in, otherwise your answer is going to be wrong. So let's say you have another one here, and the diameter across is 6. Oh no, I don't want 6. The diameter across, let's use 8. Let's use 8 inches. So the diameter is 8 inches. Now you have the area, 3.14 times, you need the radius of this, and the radius is 4. So this is 3.14 times 4 squared, which is the same as 3.14 times 4 squared is 16. It is not 8. Some of you are making this mistake. 4 squared is 16. 3.14 times 16 equals 50.24, and you must put the inches squared. All right? Don't forget this inches squared. All righty?